will discuss about the numismatic history of the iconic 5 Baht temple coin. So let's start with the front side of the coin. For the classic temple series minted heavily from 1988 all the way up to 2017, the obverse features the left-facing portrait of His Majesty King Bhumibol Atulya Dej, also formerly revered as King Rama IX. He was one of the longest monarchs in the global history, ruling Thailand for over 70 years, symbolizing unity, stability, and massive economic progress. On the coin, he is depicted in the formal royal suit and wearing his trademark glasses. Now look at the Thai characters wrapped around the portrait. Unless you speak Thai, this looks like beautiful complex geometry, but it carries a powerful statement. On the left side, the text reads Omifon Adunya Tej, which is King's personal birth name. On the right side, it reads Rachakan Thai Kao, which explicitly translates the ninth regime or Rama ninth. Now turn the coin over to the reverse side and you are greeted by architectural masterpiece. This is the globe as the marble temple located in the Buddhist district of Bangkok, built at the turn of the 20th century under the King Rama V. Its pillars and outer walls are constructed from magnificent white Carrara marble imported all the way from Italy. The detail captured by the Royal Thai Mint on this tiny metal surface is staggering, from the tired sloping rooflines to the ornate multi-layer gables. But how do you find out when your specific coin was made? If you look at the top right of the reverse, you will see a string of Thai characters. It always starts with these two letters. Or SOR. These stand for ultra-scarce, which means the coin is dated using the Buddhist era calendar. To find the Western Georgian calendar year, you have to read the Thai numbers that follow it and then subscribe exactly 543. For example, if your coin reads 2531, subtract 543 and you will get 1988, the very first year this temple design was introduced into circulation. Before we get into the ultra rare varieties, you need to know about a massive secret change that happened right in middle of the series. Numismatists divide the classic 5 Baht temple coin into two major categories, the heavy type and the light type. From 1988 until 2008, the coin was struck as heavy, thick piece of copper nickel clad copper weighing exactly 7.50 grams with a thickness of 2.2 millimeters. However, by 2009, which in Buddhist year 2552, the rising global cost of raw copper and nickel meant it was becoming too expensive to produce. To save millions of dollars, the mint re-engineered the coin. They drastically reduced the thickness, dropping the weight down to just 6 grams. If you stack an early 1990s 5 baht side by side with a 2012 version, the physical thickness difference is immediately obvious. Collectors try to assemble complete data runs of both the heavy issue and the light issue. The rarities that make collectors throw down serious cash because hundreds of millions of these were minted, standard years are only worth face value, about 15 to 20 cents, but there are highly coveted expectations. The key dates. The absolute holy grail of standard circulating temple series is Buddhist 2003. During this specific year, the mint heavily suppressed production of 5 baht coin. It is estimated that only a tiny fraction of usual coins were let loose into the public. Finding a 2003 coin in a high-grade, crisp, uncirculated condition can instantly net you a massive premium from the global collectors desperate to complete their debt sets. If you look closely at an error of 2006 year coin, on the obverse, the king eyebrow appears to completely merge directly into the eyeglass rim. On reverse, the highest point of majestic marble temple spire looks physically attached or melted directly into the Thai lettering above it. So, here is a simple thing. Never assume a common coin is completely worthless. History, metallurgy, and human error combine to create hidden treasures in place you least expected them. Subscribe to the channel for more hidden wealth and numismatic history secrets. Thanks for watching.